in front of me is HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this smartphone. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon and tap on it. As you can see, now it's blue. That means that location is on, but you can always turn it off by tapping on the same icon. If you wish to, you can also access device settings, choose location section over here, and manage location by tapping on the switcher next to access my location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!